Everyone thinks the best-selling shoulder workout is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Healthy Shoulder Handbook. First up is the Healthy Shoulder Handbook by Carl Knopf. Priced at just $9.99, this Kindle edition caught my eye because it's packed with 100 exercises specifically for treating and preventing common shoulder injuries. If you want to strengthen your shoulders while avoiding pain, this is worth a serious look. This handbook goes beyond just workouts. It's like having a personal coach. The exercises are designed to tackle issues like frozen shoulder and rotator cuff injuries. It's all explained in straightforward language that's easy to follow. With this guide, you'll learn how to safely build shoulder strength, so you can confidently hit the gym without the fear of injury. Plus, with 100 exercises to choose from, you'll never run out of options. Now, some people complain that it lacks video demonstrations, which can be a bit frustrating. Here's the thing though, if you're disciplined and can follow written instructions, you'll find the content incredibly useful. This is perfect for you if you're recovering from an injury or just starting out. Skip this one if you're looking for flashy videos or advanced workout techniques. At this price, it's a solid investment for your shoulder health.
Product number 2, Shoulder Pain Reset. Next up is Shoulder Pain Reset by Evan Calder, retailing at $16.99. The name caught my attention because it promises a safe strength and mobility plan to restore movement and end shoulder pain. If you're struggling with discomfort and want a structured approach, this one's worth checking out. This guide dives into common shoulder pain patterns and teaches you how to navigate them without making things worse. It includes a 7-day shoulder reset plan to calm flare-ups and regain confidence, plus assessments to track your progress. The focus on rotator cuff training is key, as it builds endurance without irritating your shoulder further. With clear explanations, you can really understand what's happening with your body. Now, I did see some reviews mention that it can feel a bit basic for advanced lifters, but honestly, for someone just getting back into the swing of things or needing a reset, it's a fantastic resource. This is great for anyone dealing with shoulder pain or those looking to safely regain mobility. But if you're already advanced in your training, you might not find as much value here. Still, it's a reasonable investment for the guidance it offers.
Product number 3, Exercises to Relieve Shoulder Pain. Exercises to Relieve Shoulder Pain by Jim Connor comes in at just $6.99. What stood out to me was its focus on healing chronic shoulder pain and impingement, something many people deal with. If you're looking for practical exercises to relieve discomfort, this could be your go-to guide. This book doesn't just stop at exercises. It also addresses elbow and neck pain, which often accompany shoulder issues. It aims to improve mobility and balance while also teaching you how to prevent injuries. The simplicity of the instructions makes it accessible, whether you're at home or in the gym. Plus, for under $7, you're getting a wealth of information. Some users did mention that the exercises can feel repetitive after a while, which might not appeal to everyone. But here's the thing, consistency is key in recovery, and sticking to a routine can really pay off. This is perfect for those who are struggling with shoulder pain but want straightforward, effective exercises. Skip this one if you're looking for a fancy program with multiple variations. At this price, it's a smart choice for anyone needing relief.
Product number 4, Complete Shoulder Pain Relief and Recovery Guide. Coming in at $4.99, the Complete Shoulder Pain Relief and Recovery Guide by Dr. Ahmed Raouf is next on my list. I was drawn in by its comprehensive approach to understanding shoulder pain and how to prevent it. If you want to really get to the root of your shoulder issues, this guide might be just what you need. This guide covers everything from self-assessment techniques to daily mobility routines and injury prevention strategies. The focus on posture correction and ergonomic solutions is particularly helpful for those who sit at desks all day. It's all about empowering you to take control of your shoulder health with practical advice that's easy to implement. However, some readers pointed out that the formatting could be better, making it a bit hard to navigate. But here's the thing, the quality of the content really shines through and is worth the minor hassle. This is ideal for anyone wanting a thorough understanding of shoulder health and recovery.
But if you're looking for a quick fix solution or a flashy presentation, this might not be for you. At under $5, you're getting a solid deal for the information. Product number 5, dumbbell training. Last but not least is dumbbell training by Alan Hedrick, priced at $23.25. This caught my attention because it's all about using dumbbells to build strength, which is essential for shoulder workouts. If you're serious about getting stronger shoulders, this book is definitely worth considering. Dumbbells are fantastic for shoulder exercises because they allow for a full range of motion, which is crucial for muscle building and definition. This book provides various workouts that target the shoulder muscles, helping you create a balanced routine. What's great is that it encourages you to use proper form, which is key to avoiding injury and maximizing gains. That said, some users felt the price was a bit steep for a book. I get that, but honestly, the value you get from a well-structured training plan can far outweigh the initial cost if you're committed to your fitness journey. This is perfect for those who want to incorporate dumbbells into their shoulder workouts effectively. But if you're just looking for free resources or basic info, this might not be for you. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about strength training.
To recap, we've covered some solid options: the Healthy Shoulder Handbook for injury prevention, Shoulder Pain Reset for a structured recovery, exercises to relieve shoulder pain for practical exercises, the Complete Shoulder Pain Relief and Recovery Guide for comprehensive knowledge, and dumbbell training for strength building. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.